As you can see, it is the statement of the frame of the vehicle, the frame of the car. This is the statement. After this one, you have to make the motor guard. You have to make the motor guard. The motor guard and the front, they call it motor guard and they still call it the front of the car. That is this. This is the front of the car. This is how we started building the little car. We will do this one. We will do this one. This one we have it two. We do this one two. One is going to be here. One is going to be this side. After this one, you have to do the front bonnet. This is the front bonnet. This one is the front bonnet. After finish this front bonnet, you have to make sure that this bonnet will rhyme with this one, because it's going to be up here. So you make sure this one is going to rhyme like this, exactly like this. These two hole you are seeing, is the hole we are going to pass both to tight the inches that's going to open the bonnet. The inches are going to open the bonnet. This is the hole. Assuming this is the car now, you see the car now. This is the hole I'm talking about. These two holes you are seeing is we put it both to jam to inside this thing that's going to open. We call it, if you want this thing, we call it inches for opening door and closing. You can use it to open the door and close the door of the car. You check the under here, you can see the building of the car very well. This one can rotate. This one can rotate through the steering. This is the leg. It can rotate through the steering. You can still call it the shaft, front shaft. But if you didn't call it the front shaft, you can still call it the movement of the tire. This one is show you the way to go. If you do it like this, you move to this side. If you do it like this, you move to this. Is KC Fresh. KC Fresh. This is KC Fresh production in German. I produced this the time I was learning how to produce car. You do it like this. This is how we do it. And this one again is the bag. You turn this place, you can see that you have some hole that there is no knot there. All this hole you're seeing, all of them mean something one by one. This one, you can use this one to make to pass another bolt to hold something on the bar. The seat. Trying to pass it to make the seat to hold the seat here. This thing you are seeing here, these two things you are seeing here, this side and this side, you see these two bolts. You see these two bits like this hole. This hole you are seeing is the back tire. Is the back tire. You can use that as for back tire. This is small. You make it small, and when you make this small, they will make you to. After finish the smallest building, you can build the main one. So this one you are seeing is the back. This one you are seeing is the back motor guard. The back guard. The back guard. This is it. Let me show you where, because I know that you people like to know it very well, and you can from this one to make anything you want to make in future. This is the motor guard. The motor guard. This is it. We form it with iron, and you see the way we form it, the way I form it with iron. You see the way I form it, because we are many that learning it, but it's not everybody that can that can get it very well. So we form it. It later jump to this one, and this thing you are seeing is equal. Look at it now. It's equal. That means you do what they need, because this is the front guide, this is the back guide. They join together. You see that they join together, and it's equal. This one run to this place, this one run to this place. Assuming this place you are seeing is the screen. The screen. I can bring it out in one part. You see it where. This is the screen. This is how we produce it. We produce it like this. This is how we produce it. We prepare it. We produce it like this, and after we produce it like this, these two bolts you are seeing, these two O, the two O you are seeing, this O and this O, these two O you are seeing, we use it as the hole of the screen. This is the screen setting. This is the screen setting. You can use it as a screen. You can use it as a screen setting. After this, we go again, because this is what we are doing, and we are doing it. This is what we used to do the tire. We made the tire like this. This is what we use for the tire. You can we made it more than that, this, but if you see that, it's okay too. It's very, very, very nice. For that, this is how we produce the back motor guard we're talking about. This is how we produce the back motor guard we're talking about. For the next one, I will complete. I will tell you how to produce anything you want to produce. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Choose.